Good day everyone. Today we will be discussing about phoneme blending. What is phoneme blending? Phoneme blending is the ability to hear phonemes individually in a word and also to create or blend those phonemes into a mixed sounds. Here we have three words, also three difficulties. Let's start with the easy one. The word cat. For the isolated part, we have k, e, and t. For the blended part, it is cat. For the moderate, we have the word fish. For the isolated part, we have f, e, and sh. For the blended part, it is fish. For the complex part, we have phoenix. For the isolated part, we have f, e, n, e, k, and s. For the blended part, it is phoenix. Now for your practice, I have provided three isolated words here, and you will identify what word it is. You will also provide its blended form. First, I will read it. Ready? For the first isolated part, we have s, a, n, s, a, n. For the second part, we have ch, a, r, t, and ch, ch, a, r, t, and ch. For the third isolated part, we have b, b, e, l, t, e, and n. P, e, l, t, e, and n. Will be all, and thank you for watching.